Oh my god, I feel like I'm in like Kung Fu Panda. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about stress relief. I'm so excited because I'm just a stressed out person. Middle school can be hard. You know, I got a test tomorrow. But seriously, you guys, it's finally here. It's time for Robot Runway! Girls just like you hack their own robots made out of their favorite toys. The premiere is tomorrow. Minions versus trolls. I'm in it. I'm a judge. We've got bots battling in front of your favorite YouTubers. It's seriously so cool. Check it out. Okay, let's hack your world. And for our first stress relieving hack, it's the Waffle Squishy. Yes, it's literally a waffle that you can squish and not destroy. Okay, ready? Like, totally destroy it. And then it just grows back to normal size. And also I painted the top. So like this side's like really squishy. And then this side is like when you're real stressed and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm not okay. Stress taking over my life. I have so much to do. Mom, can you come pick me up? There's some tension, you know? And I have sprinkles all over it with colors because like rainbow, bro. It's like looks good enough to eat, but I know that's not right. For this DIY, we're gonna need a sponge, white puffy paint, marker pen, and color foam sheets. Cut out a circle from the sponge and create a waffle-like grid. Scoop out the middle parts of the squares. Apply puffy paint to look like white chocolate. Cut up the colorful foam and add them as sprinkles. Now it's time to squish away the stress. And for our next hack, we have the Magnetic Zen Garden. I love how I'm saying all of this with like a weird accent, but I feel like it just gives it that Zen vibe, you know? And I'm doing a collab with MyFroggyStuff. We're doing a whole Rube Goldberg machine. I'm making a big one, she's making a small one, and this is gonna be in it, the Magnetic Zen Garden. So basically a Zen garden dates all the way back from like 900 AD in Japan. They've been around for a long time, and they have worked for a long time. They've been doing their job since like before MySpace, you know, like old. It was like de-stressing people before ASMR. Like, hello, like it's your Japanese ancestor, let me de-stress you. It's floating. This is even more fun. For this DIY, you'll need a shadow box, cardstock, sand, glitter, a pinball, and a magnet. First, remove the back of the shadow box and hop through the back with cardstock. Now, seal the inside of the frame. Add the glittery sand to the frame. And now the pinball. Place the frame backing into place, and now seal it. Trace the magnet underneath to move the pinball around. Oh. The whole magnetic option is like totally optional. Like you can just roll it around like this. It's just so satisfying. And you make little shapes and it makes you forget about all your problems. It works perfectly. Zen Goldie. Out, I'm kidding, no, it's not the last one. We still have one more. And last but not least, we have a fidget spinner. This isn't just any fidget spinner. This is an LED fidget spinner. If you want to get the full experience, turn off the lights, you know, grab your fidget spinner, grab your squishy. I like change like different accents all the time. Grab the Magnetic Zen Garden, and then just, the ball did it again. Gotta spin and squish, spin and squish, spin. And instead of squishing this time, move the ball. Then go back to squish, spin, move, spin, squish. There's a science to it. For this DIY, you'll need bearings, zip ties, small round batteries, LEDs, and electrical tape. First, lay the bearings face up in a row. Connect them with zip ties. Now, connect the LED to the small round battery with electrical tape. You may need to flip the battery to get the proper orientation. Glue one light to each end of the fidget spinner. It's a party in a fidget spinner. I am the Goldie, the Goldie. I can out fidget spin everyone on Instagram. Oh, didn't see you there. I was just like zenning out for a second. I hope you guys zenned out with me. Make sure to comment down below your favorite. Mine was definitely the fidget spinner. Guys, don't you dare forget there is a brand new episode of Robot Runway. The premiere is tomorrow. Robot battle action. Don't miss it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. This is really fun. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Deleuze Sanchez. He was happy that I posted. I'm honored. Like seriously, that's actually really cool that people care. That's it for today. Zen Goldie is out.